Yeah, I got too much shit around here. I don't think about everything I have. This is half the thickness of this. Yeah. So let's take these three back. Look, I'm going to actually take all these off here. What did I do? I put these all on already? Ah, fungal. Okay, oh, they're only hand tight. That's a start. That's good. And why am I out here for so long, you ask? Why is it taking me so long to do things? Hey, I'm not going to say it's because I'm just getting older. So the mind doesn't react as fast. That's just an excuse. I think it's just I got too many things going on. Well, the easy part is I have something with the holes in it, so I can make a template using this. Well, she doesn't want to eat her food, but she has room for chilies. Looks like it may have stopped raining, but it's still all wet out there and dark and miserable, like it's going to continue. I'm big. This is actually a day I should just go in the house and say, screw it, it's 3 o'clock. My bride already went shopping. Okay. Now, can I go longer? And do I want to go longer? No, I really don't need to go longer because it's only going to get in the way. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut this first this way. Yeah, we are. So let's put this here. Put that there. Now depending on what I'm going to cut this with, no. Get out of there. You can't have that. I knew you were going to try. I knew you were going to try. Okay. I do have. Oh. Let's try that. Hold on. Let's go back here. I forgot about this. This may work. I have a little table saw here. I do. Will it work? I don't know. Can I get in there? That's the other thing. Maybe. Where you at, baby? I don't want to run you over. Okay. So we want to, let's see, where do we want to put it? We want to, is that going to be straight? Let's see. There. haven't used this in a long time. And this may not work on it because when this gets hot, it starts to melt and not cut. That's not straight. Hold on. Let me check. So this end is a little canted, which means it's going to cut crooked. This is straight, so I'm going to cut it on this side, and we have enough. So I'm going to try to cut it on this side. Smell it. It's melting. You're going to have to take my time. You can see it right there. So yeah, here we go. Clean cut, clean cut. Actually, I got a mini drill over there too. I didn't think of that. I haven't used that in a long time. I wonder if I should try it. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Yeah, that's straight. I think I told you I have a problem with my left eye, the retina. So when I'm looking at something straight, sometimes where my focal point is, it goes up. So things look longer because the focal point is always right in the center. So when I look at something, it always looks a little taller. So as I travel, it travels with me. So I know that's straight because of the measurements. However, it does look a little crooked. It looks like it's going like that. So, that's what's the next thing. But I think I'm going to change eye doctors. I go there to there. Yep, okay, that'll work. Yep, that'll do it. And I can use that hole that's already there like this. Yeah, I can. All right. Hold on a minute. Let me shut this down for a second. Okay. I don't know if you're seeing this or not, but here we are. Gotta find that one hole right there. Okay, so now what I want to do is put something in that hole right here. Make that hole a little bit bigger so I can get it to size. Put that right here. Put that in there. And we should be able to do what we need to do. baby. Now, if I plug you in, is it going to shut off?